Hi, my name is Danielle Schneider, and I'm a scrapbooking designer here in Tucson, Arizona for Making Memories Unforgettable. That's our local scrapbook store. And I wanted to show you today some things that I enjoy doing with feathers. And first, what I have here to show you is this tag. And you can see that I have layered white feather on top of this beautiful brown feather with the black stripes. And then just a little flower on top of that. It's just a paper flower that I've misted and a brad. And this is something maybe typical of what you might think of to do with feathers. But I want to show you some extra things. If I kind of push this to the side, you can see that there's a pattern here. And what I did is I laid another feather on top and then I misted over it. And so I got this negative image of the feather, or the outside of the feather, to give me a little texture on my tag. So that's an idea of maybe the first step that you might take in using feathers, is just to add some layering. You can see that feathers go beautifully with vintage papers, but they also work really well with more modern designs. So I'm going to set that down and show you a couple of other things that I did. I started out with just some craft colored cardstock, and I got out my slice machine and I cut out some shapes. So you can see that I took this heart shape and I cut it right out of my craft cardstock. And then I took this, just something you can just find at your local scrapbooking store. It's just some spray adhesive, sprayed it right onto my cardstock. And then I took a feather like this. This is the full piece. Laid it upside down, and then I laid my adhered feather, or my adhered heart, onto that. And then afterwards, I just picked it up and trimmed around that edge. So you can see I've got a shape that gives me this beautiful texture and color. And I did that a few different times. I did it here with this arrow, you can see, and I just love the texture that that gives. You can do it with any color because these feathers come in such a wide variety of colors. Here I did a letter, so you can do an alphabet this way. Again, you've got that wonderful texture. And when you cut out your shape after you've got the feather adhered, you kind of give it a little haircut, trim it up, and it looks beautiful. You can see that. Love the texture, love the color.